Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this superb Kawasaki ZX10R Ninja, registered the 18th of May 2013 on a 13 plate with 13,576 miles and presented in spark black/flat ebony. This one owner from new example is in superb condition. Not only has it been well maintained with a full comprehensive main dealer service history with 5 stamps in the book and last serviced just 890 miles ago, but it also includes a must-have Ohlins steering damper. The ZX10R features Kawasaki's advanced traction control, S-KTRC, Showa Big Piston Forks, and a screaming inline-four engine. Lightweight, razor-sharp and track-proven, the ZX10R delivers unmatched performance. The easy-to-read LCD display includes a gear indicator and gives off GP vibes with its color-changing LED rev counter. Always a firm favorite of ours, this Kawasaki will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable to all our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142 444 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.